everyone, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Indonesian President Joko Widodo on Saturday raised some fuel price by around 30% to contain balloning spending on energy subsidies to South Asia's biggest economy. The move risks sparking protests and further feeding price pressure, thought analysis saw a need to act to the answer official described. What has been the decline on the fuel price, Indonesia raised the price of its most popular 90-octane gasoline known as Pertalite to 100 rupiah per litre up from 7,000, and the finance ministry said state energy from Pertamina's production cost for this type of fuel was per litre. The price of diesel rose to 6,000 rupiah per liter from 5,000 rupiah compared with the production cost. Jokowi, as the president is popular, now also hiked the price of 92-octane gasoline. Now, Pertamax compensation for losses in the Pertamax sales. For rise full price now, the government has already tripled in the energy subsidy spending this year from the original budget to 500 trillion rupiah to keep subsidies full price and some power traces unchanged might hike global energy price. This has resulted in the waning price disparity between subsidies and non-subsidized fuel, promoting concern to which to keeper fuels. Some economists have said rising fuel price this year would reduce the risk of spending overruns in the 2023 when the government must lower its official defense to below 30% of GDP. Why is hiking fuel price controversial? Fuel price is the politically sensitive issue in Indonesia, and with subsidies value making up more than 80% of Pertamina. The change will have major implications for households and small business. Big companies are not allowed to buy subsidies value for their operation. Precocious price in scare had led to mass protests across the archipelago, including when Jokowi last raised fuel price in 2014. The current price hike comes at the time when food prices are already trending up. August inflation was 4.69%, above the central bank target rate for the 3 months in a row. The government that has weeks tried to dispute cash from a 1.6 billion additional social protection fund that causes price pressure for the poor. Elections are set to be held in 2024. How will the measure impact inflation GDP? Pertamina has estimated a 3% to 40% increase fuel price cut and 1.9 percentage point to inflation in 2022, but it assumed the bigger increase in some price. From economists, the business group thinking inflation could pick up to around 6% by the end of the year, putting pressure on the central bank to tighten monetary policy and quickly. Bank Indonesia (BI) raised interest rate on August 23 for the first time since 2018 in the move, analysts said was the worry for the fuel price hike announcement. BI is still well behind most peers in its roll back of pandemic-era stimulus and economic expects more hikes. The potential reduction in the purchasing power and higher interest rate could hurt economic growth. The government target 2022 GDP growth at 5.2%. What's happened to subsidy budget now? Finance Minister Sri Mulyani Indrawati said even with the fuel price in scare, government energy subsidy spending was still swell. She estimates energy subsidy allocation this year will range between 591 trillion rupiah to 649 trillion rupiah after the price hike, assuming the Indonesia crude price move between 85 to 100 per barrel for the remainder of the year. The government may receive about 100 trillion rupiah of subsidy payments to 2023 pending parliamentary approval, Sri Mulyani said. She did not give any assessment on how the price hike would affect the 2022 budget deficit outlook. Her losses forecast was for official gap accordingly to 3.92% of GDP. Okay, I think that's enough for me. Thanks for your watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you!